In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change an account type in Zoho Books. Perfect if you're updating your financial structure or correcting a miscategorized entry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho tutorials. First, open Zoho Books and head to the Accountant module on the left sidebar. Inside, click Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed. Now, find the account you want to modify and click on it to open its details. Next, click Edit to bring up the settings window. Here, locate the account type drop-down and choose the new type that best fits your needs, whether it's income, expense, asset, or liability. Once you've made your selection, hit Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed an account type in Zoho Books. Keeping your chart of accounts accurate helps ensure clear financial reports and better bookkeeping. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Zoho tips every week.